In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a website from Flippa. Whether you're looking to invest in an online business or expand your digital portfolio, Flippa provides a marketplace that's buzzing with opportunity. So let's dive right in and guide you through this buying process. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Flippa website. If you're not yet familiar, Flippa is one of the largest platforms for buying and selling websites, domains, and online businesses. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to delve into the entrepreneurial world online. Once you've landed on their homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't created one yet, signing up is straightforward. You'll just need to provide a few basic details and you'll be all set. Logging in will unlock features tailored to your interest and give you access to the full range of options available on the platform. Next, locate the Browse menu at the top of the page. Hover your cursor over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Websites. This will take you to a section filled with listings of websites currently up for grabs. Browsing these can be quite an exciting experience. But keep in mind your business goals as you explore all that's available. Take your time and select a listing that interests you. Click on View Listing to delve into the specifics. This page will offer a snapshot of the listing, including basic metrics and a seller's description. Here's where you'll start forming a deeper understanding of what's being offered. Now, if you're serious about purchasing, consider using Flippa's premium subscription. This option gives you a key to unlocking detailed information about each website. You'll gain access to vital data such as the website URL, Google Analytics insights, and financial statements outlining profit and loss. This transparency is crucial for making an informed decision. Once you've identified a website that fits your objectives and have reviewed its detailed information, it's time to make your move. You'll see a button labeled Make Offer. Click on it to begin the negotiation process. This step initiates communication with the seller and allows you to negotiate terms. With an agreement in place, Flippa's support team will help ensure a smooth transfer process. This involves moving the domain and the website's files to your hosting accounts. Be sure to update any necessary account details, like payment and tracking IDs, to mark your new ownership clearly. And that's it! You've just purchased a website on Flippa. Remember, buying a website is an important step, so make sure to conduct thorough research and consult with professionals if necessary. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and I hope your new venture brings you success and growth in your online business journey.